Hello beautiful people, my name's Kristen. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I have an unboxing of JB Stylebox. I had ordered this from my stylist Amy to come right after I had had a big sprint of running Vacation Bible Camp and going with students to Belize on a mission trip. And then in Belize, we encountered Hurricane Beryl. And we flew home to Houston, Texas, where we went through Hurricane Beryl a second time. So I was without power. I got the email that the box was coming. Thankfully, power is restored. I received my box, have no idea what's in it, but I'm super, this is a welcome retreat after a lot of work and a lot of stress. And JB and Me comes from, JB Stylebox comes from JB and Me in Holland, Michigan. And you get a personalized stylist that gives you lots of outfits. Isn't that a great color? So they'll give you outfit details, and then whatever you don't want, you send back. It is a $20 styling fee. It gets applied if you spend $50, and then if you keep 3 items or more, shipping is free as well. So let me see if I can make room to put the box down. All right. Ooh, it looks like some good denim. Let me get rid of the crinkled paper. Such a beautiful job wrapping it, right? Very good. Woo. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, first off, I'm really liking this dress form. It's like a really nice thick rib in a cream colored. So really, really versatile, staple. And I'm wondering if these are overalls or, it's like, this is cute. It's like a zipper, sleeveless, tank dress. This is adorable. I love this. I love the blue faded. It's got lots of kind of pleating seams on the back. I hope that fits me well. And then, this is adorable too. Check out the buttons, vest, cream colored. Got the tie-in. I love that. I love that too. And then some jeans. Oh, Pistola, which I did not know. I had never tried Pistola until my stylist Amy sent me some, and now they're like my favorite brand. So these have a little distressing, nice. Oh, it's not jeans. It's a jean skirt. It's super long with a slit in the front. So that's super cute. I really, really, really liked the jean skirt that she sent me before. I just find a lot of time jean skirts are too casual for work or church, but then they're too dressy for playing with the kids and doing my fun things. But we will see. We will see what that looks like. I think I see a shoe box. Shoebox. That's exciting. I haven't had shoes in a while. These are super cute. Miss Moose. And then look at that. Beautiful camel colored, squishy, just a teeny heel. Oh, yeah. I mean, I think they look nice with my skin color. I'm really liking those. And then, wait, there's more. If you order now, you'll get another bundle. I got some more skincare samples. I forgot to tell her I had tried all the skincare samples that she sent last time, and I really liked them all. I was thinking about getting the body cream one because I kind of need some more of that. Here's a neck smoother, golden moon dip facial mousse, and Bluephoria lip drench jelly sleep mask for your lips. Okay, Never tried that. Okay, let me get rid of, here's the next bundle. That was that pretty dress I think we saw in the picture. Okay, here we go. Whoop. Love this. Okay, pretty. So we got deep V-neck, keyhole back, beautiful loose sleeves. Loving the red, loving the kind of vintage feel of this. And then because that's such a plunging V, here's a little bralette to put under it, which is good because I have this one in pure white, but this is a nice antique to go with the off-white dress. So wow, this was a great box. I'm excited to try it on. Are you excited to see it? Let's go. All right, it's late in the day, so there's not a lot of natural light, but I'm hoping you can get the feel and get the idea of some of these if you might want to look into them yourself. I did forget, Tina Palmer, thank you for signing up for JB Stylebox for me. I got 20% off, so my prices reflect that. I can try to put along screen or in the description what their full retail price is. This is the Keep You Mini Dress in Classic Combo. My price is $102.40. Then the little cami here, crop cami with lace, my price is $23. And then the shoes are the Paparazzi sandal and almond for $100 even. So you can see the really deep V. You definitely would have to have something on under it. The sleeves are slightly, just a hair maybe long on me, but I like that better than too short. I really like this pattern. I also like how lightweight it is. I like all the ruching and gathering and layers. It does add some bulk, but it also adds quite a bit of shape and definition. So let me back up a little so you can see the length, and a little bit farther so you can see the shoes. It's getting a little dark and a little shadowy that far back. It's a nice slip on. So here they are again, up close, super comfortable. I'm gonna check my wardrobe. I know I have quite a few sandals, but these, you can kind of dress them up a little to be a little dressier, or if you wanted them to dress down, you could, just wear them with jeans and a t-shirt, I think. So definite consideration. I'm really thinking this is a possibility as well. Let's try on something else. Okay, I'm back. This is the Pistola Alice denim skirt. It's really cute, but when I get it, I have to suck in to get, and I'm like moving like a stuffed sausage. So I decided this is not gonna sell you the skirt, and it's hard for me to move. But if you are interested in requesting it and trying it, but it is my proper size, I'm just a little on the heavy side right now. So Amy, we might be sending you a message to up my size. I will go ahead and show you the lovely vest. This is the Tate denim vest in a crew. I think it's also Pistola. And then the cami top, she switched out a stripe one because I'm not a huge stripe girl. So she switched, although stripes are very in right now. So this is the ribbed sweater knit tank. So here's the ribbed sweater knit tank. I've got on a blue bra, but I think it's pretty bra friendly. And then the cute vest with details. I would mostly be wearing it open, but let me see if I can button it to show that look. I love this ecru color, right? It's like super neutral, could go with so many things. I think also if this is a little tight, that buckle in the back is adjustable too. This you can let this out if you need more room around, but I mean that kind of sucks me in and gives me even more of a little waist, and I just put it on with the regular denim so you'd still get the effect of the denim skirt that she was going with. But this is pretty cute, especially I think maybe a nice chunky necklace. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, the last item is called the Kristi denim dress. It is a zip up all the way. So you could technically like wear this as a cardigan jacket vest kind of situation. I love the little collar, and I like how the pockets lay flat and I don't feel like it's, you know, making me excessively busty. I like that it's got a lot of seams and contour. I like the length of it. And because it's a zipper all the way down, you can kind of pop it open to show. You could even put a t-shirt with, or a long sleeve shirt even. Have your tank there. I don't think there's pockets. No pockets here, but that's good. So this is gonna be a lot of deciding to do. So let's do a little wrap up. When I went to review, I realized Amy had suggested putting the vest with the dress. So I wanted to try it. So I have it first. I thought it might be cute buttoned up to kind of give more flare at the bottom and kind of more defined waist. And then or it's an added layer on the outside. Kind of gives it a little more country girl feel, right? With some boots, that would be really cute. One last kind of funsy thing, I just opened up the dress all the way down, since the zipper goes all the way down, and put it on over this with cowboy boots. I mean, it's just a lot of fun. There's a lot of fun going on here. Okay, gotten really hot and sweaty trying on all these clothes. I checked my wardrobe. This is the shoe that I have that's the same color as these, but this obviously has a huge chunky heel. I actually can wear this casual or dressy too, but I'm leaning towards keeping this just because it's so comfortable and would be great to wear to work or whatever, especially if you're having like a run all over the building, setting things up kind of thing, as opposed to this guy clonking around. So I think especially with my discount, this is a good investment. I'm gonna send the skirt back. That was the least item that I was excited about because I have a hard time working denim skirts into my life, and it's the most expensive thing in the box. So whoop whoop. I think the rest, it's Free People dress, right? Yes. I'm really liking the versatility of that. This and this, the two tanks, I mean, I think they're kind of a no-brainer. Good price, got a discount. The Free People vest, what do y'all think? I'm really leaning towards keeping it. I'm thinking it would be a good investment. The only thing I'm not totally in love with is like it's distressed. It's got like the fraying, I just feel like over time that's gonna get more so, and I want it to be more formal and put together than the frayed look. And then the zipper dress all zipped up all the way down the front. I mean, obviously this is my husband's favorite, kind of sexy and but can also be really versatile with like how you would change up the sleeves and everything. It would go into fall, winter. In Houston, I think this is a fantastic piece. Denim is so in right now. So this going into fall with some tall boots, I mean, I'm just thinking it's a keeper too. So I'm really thinking at this point, I'm keeping everything except for the skirt, but let me know. I'm, gonna sleep on it, maybe try everything on again, but thank you, Amy. Thank you for bringing me some bright cheeriness to a difficult week. Hope everybody else, wherever you are, whatever you're dealing with, that you're safe and provided for and cool in this summer heat. Thank you for taking time to stop by. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Take care, y'all.